Hey, if Bardeen AI is not working because of permission issues, yeah, that can stop your automations completely. But don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. All right, first, open your browser extensions page and find Bardeen. Then click on Details and make sure it has permission to read and change site data. Next, check site access. Set it to on all sites, or at least allow it on the website you're using. Without this, Bardeen can't interact with page content. If you're using incognito mode, yeah, you need to allow Bardeen there too. Just toggle on Allow in Incognito in the extension settings. Now, go into your browser's privacy and security settings. Make sure nothing is blocking extensions from accessing websites. Sometimes, ad blockers or privacy tools can override permissions. Try disabling them temporarily and then test Bardeen again. If permissions still aren't working, just remove Bardeen and reinstall it. This resets all permissions to default. Also, if you're connecting apps like Google Sheets or Notion, make sure you've granted access during login. If not, reconnect those apps. And yeah, that's it. One of these steps should fix the Bardeen AI permissions issue and get everything running again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.